the banter I've had over the years, the characters I've worked with.
You say we're running a circus, Mark? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. It is. Do you know what? I still tell people stories about people I've worked with. Right, I've even got nicknames. I worked with a guy called, we won't go into it on this, but I worked with a guy who we all nicknamed the Naked Man for obvious reasons. Would I go into Barclays and work with that guy? No. So I love Plant Life for the sheer characters I've met over the years. John, what about our mate John? If you asked for something after 3 o'clock, he was in trouble, wouldn't you? Do you remember that?
Absolutely, yeah. He'd be,